Hey guys, this is InventorDude14, and here is my budget PC. You guys probably remember this. Well, I've performed a few upgrades on it, so now it is much more optimized for gaming. Let's take off this layer here. So you can probably see a few changes already here. Power supply has changed from the previous video. This is a 500 watt Cooler Master, sorry, power supply. Right here is the new graphics card I just put in. It's a Sapphire Radeon HD 7770. Very speedy. My games are looking a lot better. So here's the PC running. There's my start screen. And now I'm going to show you some games. Please be sure to like, subscribe if you haven't already, and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.